we can look at, which is a pretty interesting niche. So it's called Black Journals, and basically it's like a history channel about the Black like culture community, so to say, and how how they got mistreated in the past. So you can see they only have 75 videos, almost 200 subscribers. They make like 20-minute long videos. Let's see how many views they got last month. They got almost 5 million views. So on average, like if we take an RPM of like $5, which is I think really low for this niche because their videos are 20 minutes long, they would have made like 5 times 5 is like $25,000 with this channel. Probably a little lower, I don't know. But if I take the average, like something around that, which is huge, right? For only 75 videos. How long have they been online? So 5 months, yeah, if you have a 20K channel in 5 months, that's really nice, right? So as you can see, and this is what I meant with like targeting the audience too, Lisa, it's like this channel is all about Black culture and how they got mistreated and like slave trade and what the like current literature or like schools don't tell you about the Black culture and the history of slave trade and all that stuff. So this is like a specific audience they are targeting and making a fan base around, right? And then it's all about like the untold stories and how they were mistreated, how they were like killed, massacred, like the dark truths here, hidden truths. See, it's like it's mystery about their history combined with a very dark aspect, which on YouTube people always really like watching, like the negative side of the world and the secret side of the world. And you can see that I think they make these thumbnails with AI, so they probably use Midjourney. Lots of like emotion in the thumbnails, people screaming, fire, and then you have contrasting colors with red and white for the text, right? What I really like what they are doing here is, let's say this thumbnail right here, they really combine the text in the thumbnail well with the title. So the title is From Slavery to Slavery 2.0, Untold Story of Convict Leashing. And then it says From Profit to Pain. So like the text in the thumbnail mixed with the expression in their faces, it's a good, like once you read the text, you see the expression and then you read the title, right? It's like 1, 2, 3. It's a lot of people always do the same text in the thumbnail and the same text in the title, but that's like you read the same thing twice, right? So it's not complementing each other basically. So that's a very good, like when you have your competitors, look what they are putting, like which text they are putting in their thumbnails, how they match the colors, how they make it contrasting with the background. That's all very important. And then make sure that both the image of your thumbnail plus the text you put in there basically gives you a reason to read the title and then click the video, and don't make it the same exact thing. Okay. Let's go to latest. So Lisa, what I just told you about, like if you get the VidIQ app, you can click this right here and then click on view trending videos. And now you can see that, for example, this video got posted 21 days ago and it's still getting 1,800 views per hour. This one 13 days ago, 1,000 views per hour. This one a month ago, 800 views. So let's say, and here these two, like 2 months, 2 months. So if you want to start a new channel, for example, covering a niche like this, then you can see, if you see like an like videos that got posted 2, 3, 4 months ago that still get almost all the views on the channel. And then you can think to yourself, okay, can I make this video topic? Like, can I expand on this and make a whole new channel around it? Because apparently these seem to do well. So this is something with Obama, with like the ex-president, right? How he betrayed the Black culture. Let's see this one. Okay, how things were invented. Sexual abuse. So this is with like presidents. This is just random facts. This is about sexual abuse. And then this one is like with the church, right? So maybe you can start a like sub niche channel with just covering things with the Catholic Church or other religions or something that had to do with Black culture, for example. That's how I would look at picking a niche if you were looking at this channel and wanting to start something in the same topic, but sub niche it down, basically. Let's see. What you can also do is look at their playlists. Okay, so they only have shorts, black journals, and the erasure of this. So what channels sometimes do is make like their channel about this Black history culture and then have, for example, 3 or 4 topics like the sexual abuse, and then they make one playlist with like the sexual abuse of Blacks, and then one with the religious things around this Black culture, like the church, how it was involved in it, right? Or how presidents or whatever were involved in what went down with them. Here on the right, we see something with Akon, like how rappers were involved in it, for example. These are like different subjects in this niche that you can maybe make a whole own channel around. Okay. And then what's also good to notice is their video length. It's like here 19 minutes, 60 minutes, 23, 26, 20, 12, 20, 20. So when you're starting a new channel, I would always try to stick to one time format too. So your audience knows exactly what to expect from your channel. Like, is it going to be a short 8-minute top 10 video, or it's going to be like a 20-minute documentary or a 40-minute show on like a nature show or something, right? So keep the colors congruent in your titles, in your thumbnails. Try to stick to the same video length for all your videos that you do. And then just test your topic or your sub niche for like 15 to 20 videos at least and see if it pops off. I think I covered most of this. I don't know if you guys have any other questions about this channel that I can go over. I can't see my chat box when I'm doing the screen sharing at the same time. Does anyone have questions about this channel? And is there anything else you would like to see in a channel review like this? Of course, I can't see into their analytics or anything, so that's harder to do when I do channel reviews like this, right? From just random channels on YouTube. The breakdown I did was really good. Thank you, Alexander. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's the first time doing this in group format, so I didn't really know what to expect or how to prepare for it. And this was just, yeah, I just freestyled it. Okay, guys, if no one else has any other questions, then we are nearing the end of this call. Let's see if I had anything else in my slides. So yeah, maybe for next time, I either get a list of like 4 or 5 of these videos or channels, or if you guys want, like maybe I can do separate calls, one call with channel reviews from random channels on YouTube, and then one call with channel reviews that are channels from you guys that you want to share. Something for next call, maybe. I think, Aiden, for your channel, we can do it on next call too. So maybe we can look at the data first or at some analytics or what you have been doing with it, and then we just go over the next call, okay? Now, guys, one thing I would really